Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 334 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Small Quiet, a short moment to pause and create just a little calm. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. You don't need a long practice today. You don't need deep insight or a big shift. All you need is a small, quiet moment to settle your mind and reset your breath. Let your shoulders soften. Let your breath become easy. And let your thoughts drift without urgency. Now, say to yourself, I can pause. I can breathe. And I can find a small quiet within my day. Notice how even a few slow breaths create a softer space inside you, a small calm you can return to anytime. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this small quiet with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.